Looking for the perfect duffel bag for your next adventure? Whether you need durability, style, or versatility, we've rounded up the top 5 best duffel bags to suit every traveler. From luxurious leather designs to rugged, all-terrain options, these bags combine functionality and fashion for any journey. Number 1. Mission Darkness Faraday Duffel Bag. The Mission Darkness Faraday Duffel Bag is a top-tier choice for those seeking both security and convenience. Its innovative MD-TAG detachable system sets it apart, featuring a large central Faraday compartment with 3 removable Faraday bags, key fob, phone, and tablet-sized. This allows you to access devices separately while maintaining RF shielding. Designed for maximum signal blocking, the bag effectively prevents Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, GPS, RFID, and radio frequency tracking, ensuring protection from hacking, spying, and unauthorized access. Built with military-grade durability, it features a wear-resistant nylon exterior, reinforced straps, and multiple layers of high-shielding Titan RF Faraday fabric, MIL STD 188-125 and IEEE 299-2006 certified. Perfect for travel and everyday use, this sleek and modern duffel offers a spacious main compartment to store electronics, accessories, or clothing, along with unshielded zippered pockets for organized storage. Whether for personal security, law enforcement, military, or corporate needs, the Mission Darkness Faraday Duffel Bag is a smart investment in digital privacy. Stay protected, stay connected only when you choose to. Number 2. Eagle Creek Cargo Rolling Duffel Bag. The Eagle Creek Cargo Rolling Duffel Bag is the perfect companion for adventure seekers who need durability, versatility, and convenience. Made from water-resistant, post-consumer recycled materials, including 200D polyester, 1680D ballistic polyester, and 800D nylon dobby, this duffel is built to withstand the demands of rugged travel. Its heavy-duty wheels with corner bumpers ensure smooth transport on any terrain. With 3 versatile carrying options, you can roll it using the telescoping handle, carry it like a backpack with zip-away straps, or grab it using the reinforced side handles. The wide U-shaped opening allows easy packing, while the storm flap central lock point keeps your belongings secure. A quick-access top pocket with a mesh organizer and key hook helps keep essentials within reach. For efficient packing, the bag features internal and external compression straps to keep everything compact, plus lash points for attaching extra gear. Thoughtfully designed reflective zipper pulls make it easy to access, even in low-light conditions. Backed by Eagle Creek's no matter what lifetime guarantee, this rolling duffel is a reliable, long-term travel solution for any adventure. Travel smart, travel worry-free. Number 3. The North Face Camp Rolling Duffel Bag. The North Face Camp Rolling Duffel Bag is the ultimate all-purpose travel companion, built for durability, organization, and sustainability. Featuring a new hard-shell chassis and 100% recycled base camp fabric, this rugged duffel is designed to withstand the demands of any adventure while keeping your gear protected. Its thoughtfully organized design includes a lockable outer zipper with ergonomic U-pulls for easy access, plus an internal compression panel with 2 secure zip mesh pockets to keep your belongings neatly packed. Whether you're heading into the great outdoors or navigating busy airports, this bag offers extensive storage capacity to handle even the most comprehensive packing lists. Built for outdoor versatility, the duffel features a Sherpa strap to secure an additional bag, while the custom-mold wheels and durable chassis ensure smooth transportation over various terrains. Plus, with the North Face's Exploration Without Compromise badge, you can trust that this bag is made with 75% or more responsibly sourced materials, making it a more sustainable choice. With a massive 160L volume, water-repellent finish, and rugged build, the North Face Camp Rolling Duffel is a reliable, go-anywhere luggage solution that's built to last. Travel boldly, explore endlessly. Number 4. Maxwell Scott Italian Leather Duffel Bag. The Maxwell Scott Italian Leather Duffel Bag is a luxurious travel essential, combining classic craftsmanship with modern functionality. With a spacious 38L interior, it's perfect for weekend getaways, business trips, or as a refined carry-on. The twin buckle strap fastenings provide security, while the detachable shoulder strap offers versatility. A dual floor-to-floor zip opening ensures effortless packing and unpacking. Handcrafted in Italy, this duffel is made from full-grain chestnut tanned Italian vachetta leather, certified by the genuine Italian vegetable tanned leather consortium, a mark of exceptional quality and durability. The rich leather develops a beautiful patina over time, making each piece unique. Built for longevity, it features YKK Exceller zippers, reinforced bases, durable lining, double stitching, and metal base studs for extra protection. Every component, from the Italian-made buckles to the premium hardware, is selected for lasting excellence. With a 25-year warranty and 60-day return policy, this duffel is a true investment in luxury travel. For those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and timeless style, the Maxwell Scott Italian leather duffel bag is an unrivaled choice. Number 5. Bric's Life 18-inch Cargo Duffel Bag. The Bric's Life 18-inch Cargo Duffel Bag is a stylish and versatile travel companion, designed for those who appreciate both functionality and Italian craftsmanship. Perfect for weekend getaways, short trips, or everyday use, this casual yet sophisticated duffel offers ample space for clothing, toiletries, and personal essentials. Crafted from durable suede PVC with Tuscan leather trim, this waterproof travel bag exudes elegance while remaining easy to clean. Its spacious main compartment and large external side pocket provide convenient storage, while the high-quality zippers ensure durability. Designed for versatile carrying options, the bag features top handles and a detachable shoulder strap, making it ideal as a carry-on, gym bag, or overnight travel bag. It's even a great choice for hospital stays, including labor and delivery essentials. Bric's is renowned for its exquisite Italian craftsmanship, admired by Hollywood A-listers and fashion elites alike. Whether you're heading on a spontaneous adventure or navigating daily life, the Bric's Life 18-inch Cargo Duffel Bag delivers both timeless style and reliable performance. Travel effortlessly, with elegance and ease.